Good evening, friends. I hope you are all doing well. I'm also fine. My name is Atikur Rahman, and I'm AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. Today, I'm going to show you how you can install Plesk on your AWS account. So you can install Plesk into any EC2 instance, and then you can use to host your web applications over there. You can run WordPress website over there, or you can do all those things. So let's get started. First, I'm in my EC2 dashboard. This is my dashboard, and click on the launched instance button. So here, I give it a name like Plesk, and then from these images, let's search in the community tab, search for Plesk. So Plesk has given some community AMI images, which you can use to run those Plesk into EC2 instances. So here we have two kinds of AMI. One that is BYOL, that means bring your own license. This is BYOL. And then a couple of them are license included. So I'm going to use the BYOL version because then I can like use the free trial and do whatever I want. So now what I'm going to use this part, Plesk Obsidian on Alma Linux 9 for WordPress and website hosting, right? And this is bring your own license. So let's click select. And then we are going to choose that. It's loading. Okay, subscribe now. This is a subscription test. Its price is free, but you need to subscribe to the product. Okay, then we can choose T3 medium. That should be fine. And then I'm going to use an key pair that I already created. Then you can create a new security group that they are suggesting. So they are suggesting all the ports that is needed for their communications. So that's that. And storage, I think you can use 20 gigs. That's it. Click launch. So it will take some time to launch the instance. And let's go to the instance details. And then click on the connect button. And then here you can copy the SSH example. Copy this, go to your Windows or PowerShell or something like that, where you have downloaded the PM file. So this is my PM file. So I downloaded that into this folder. Now I'm just going to use CMD on that particular folder and paste the command. All is, I think, looks good. I just need to modify this root part. So rather than using root, I'm going to use EC2 user. And then press enter. Okay, the login is done. Then I need to copy this command. Paste it here. So what is this? Sudo plex login and then grep v2 v2 internal. So they will give you a login URL if you run this command into the terminal. So this is my login URL. I can copy this login URL. This is a temporary URL, and I can use this to set up the password. Okay, this is the Plesk password setup interface. I hope everything is ready now. If it's not, it might take some time. Let's see if everything is ready here. So it's still initializing. Maybe we need to wait a few more seconds. Maybe I refresh this screen one more time. It's initializing. That's okay. Let's wait. You can ignore this warning sign because I haven't pointed any domain there. If you point a domain, then probably get an SSL certificate. So, yeah, I think the link is expired maybe because the server was not ready. Let's try to generate the link again. This is the link. So let's go and set up your admin account. So let's set up a password, email address, and go to this email address, also generate a password. I can just copy this, what we should use. And then I'm going to use ritual. The server is setting up, so it will take around 1 minute time. Okay, so the setup is done, right? Now this is the interface of Plex admin panel where you can add new domains and create new websites. You have a 15 days trial license. After that, probably will not be able to use it. But if you are interested, you can purchase the real license and then you can continue it. It automatically logs out, that's fine, but I have the password. I can use that. So this is the password. And I can log in. I can add my domains like this. Maybe a blank website or upload it as a blank website. Just creating a physical webs hosting. And then you can actually point your domain, the IP address, and all those things, right? Okay. So that being said, this is a very quick introduction on Plesk on AWS. You can experiment with Plesk, and if you like it, you can purchase the license from the official website. You click there, you have options to purchase the license. And once you purchase the license, then you can just use it inside your admin portal. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.